All right, so for DMR today, you are going to be solving the given expression and determining the third step. Okay, so if you have 3 plus 10 divided by 2 times 5 plus 3 squared, you're going to sit here and think to yourself, well, do I have any parentheses? Looking, no parentheses. Then I'm looking to see, do I have any exponents? Remember, that's your big number with a little exponent. So I'm looking, little big number for my base, little number for my exponent. So this is the only thing that I am going to be changing in this problem. I am not changing anything else in the problem. The thing that has this, probably shouldn't pick yellow when my background is yellow. And that blue circle is the only thing I'm changing. Everything else I'm writing as if it was. I got to rewrite everything. So I'm rewriting everything that I see plus, well, 3 squared is the thing that changes. So 3 squared means 3 times 3, which means 9. Okay, so now I am done with this problem. Well, not problem, but I'm done with that first step. Okay, now this is my new expression. 3 plus 10 divided by 2 times 5 plus 9. So I'm looking here. Don't have any exponents, so that means I'm done with my exponents. Now I look at my expression. Do I have multiplication and division? I sure do, so I'm going to put a circle around it. I have multiplication and division. Okay, now that I have multiplication and division, I gotta look, are they next to each other? Sure are, so I gotta solve from left to right. So again, I write what I'm not touching. I'm rewriting the 3 plus because I'm not using that in this expression, but I am doing the 10 divided by 2. So if I have 10 and I had to make equal groups of 2, I'm gonna end up with 5 groups. So I have 5, I did not touch that times 5, plus 9. Okay, so now I'm done with this expression. Looking on my new expression is right here. My new expression is 3 plus 5 times 5 plus 9. So I sit here, I'm like, okay, well, do I have multiplication and division? I do. 5 times 5, so that equals 25. So I have 3 plus, change that, plus 9. Okay, done with this expression, moving on to my next expression of 3 plus 5 plus 9. Don't have any more addition, multiplication, and division, so now I go to addition and subtraction. I do have addition, I do not have subtraction, so I just add 25 plus 3, 25, 26, 27, 28. I get 28 plus 9, and since I am done with that expression, I'm going to cross it off, and now I just have to do 28 plus 9, and I get 37. So my answer is 37. Done with addition and subtraction, can put my check over it. But now I need to determine that third step. Well, my first step was 3 squared. My second step was 10 divided by 2. So that means my third step is 5 times 5. Okay, and that's your DMR for today.